coming up, Ricardo Montez with his presentation, A Rusty Line. Ricardo?
When the show Art Aids America opened at the Tacoma Art Museum in December of 2015, activists, taking inspiration from ACT UP, staged a die-in to protest the lack of representation of artists of color in the exhibit. New School alum Kia LaBeija, a photographer and performer, spoke openly about feeling trapped in the show's design, her black body displayed as a token, a nod to some fantasy of inclusion. Also included in the show was a bronze altarpiece by Keith Haring. Often described as Haring's final piece before his death in February of 1990, the triptych has always felt to me like a recasting of the Paradise Garage, that legendary Soho dance club, through a classic form of Christian art. These are the Black and Latinx bodies with whom Haring danced and in whom he found the greatest inspiration for the production of his line. A line that vibrates with a centuries-long history of cross-racial contact and white desire for brown bodies. The particular edition of the bronze that traveled with the exhibit showed signs of oxidation as the object asserted a life of its own against containment. This rusty line signals something both defined by and in excess of white supremacist renderings of history.